Juicing for kids is one of the smartest things that you can do as a parent. Thank you for clicking on this video, guys. You're welcome back. So today in this video, I am going to I'm going to show us how to juice as a parent for the kids, since there are a lot of kids out there who finds it difficult to take in fruits and vegetables. Okay, this is the easiest way to get it into their system, because the juicing for them keeps them hydrated. It gives them a lot of vitamins and minerals, and you don't want them to miss out on it. So then I'm going to prep my ingredients and get them to juice. But then if you are using a blender, it's a perfect idea, because you will need to add a little water to this because of the sugar content. If you don't like the sugar content, or you think it's high, which also depends on the sugar content of your pineapple and also your oranges. Okay, so at a point, if you think the sugar is high, you can adjust that with water, and that's fine. So if you're watching me for the first time and you are now part of this wonderful family, you want to click on the subscribe button, you want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a video, you are going to be notified. And don't forget, if you like what I'm doing, you are free to check any other video on this channel. Leave your likes and comments. Okay, you can get more information on this recipe in the description box. So hey, if you're juicing for the first time, you can do this with the kids. You can do it together, and that makes fun. And they are going to love it. Okay, they are just going to love it, and you are going to love doing it with them as well. So guys, at this point, if you are using a blender, all you have to do is to strain your juice and you serve the kids, which is very important. This really tastes great and you're going to love it. So thank you very much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time and your love. I love the support. Keep it coming. So stay safe, be good, drink enough water, get a lot of sleep for yourself, and be good. So until I come your way again next time, here is Rema, a healthy way. Bye.